Good day, everyone. Learn how to change the Facebook language in PC. So I'll open and log into my Facebook in my laptop. So I'll just search Facebook right here and I'll hit enter. I'll just log into Facebook and it is currently in English. And at the top right corner where we have the profile icon, we will click on that. And then to change the language here in the Facebook in PC or laptop, we need to go to this settings and privacy. And the second option is language. And again, it says Facebook language. We need to click on that. And here you will find a lot of languages right here. If you want to change it, you can also search it, like if you want Spanish, Hispanol, you can select that, and this is how you can change the Facebook language in laptop or PC. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.